Hi guys, welcome back to Burrah Racing. I hope you guys liked my last fabrication video. So back to this video. I'm working on doing primer on the cage so it doesn't rust. It's just a surface rust, but I don't want to sand after and spend like days. So I did this side last night. I forgot to record, and I'll be working on the other side today. This side is, I still have to like see all the surface rust, so all that I have to sand and then I'll primer it, but this side came out pretty good. So I'll be recording a time lapse again, but this is turning out super nice. Alright guys, so here's a difference of cleaning up the well with a wheel brush, and that's just the heat and the spatter. Looks so nice with cleaning and stuff. So that's all I have to do with all the wells. Alright guys, so yesterday I did the primer, but I ran out of a can, so some small angles are missing. I've ordered a few cans, so they will be here by this evening. And other things, I've done seam sealing. So we did a new floor here, so this is just surface rust that's gonna go, but yeah, and underneath as well. So the rails, the floor, and we did some work on the back as well. So there is the sealer both sides. So that's what I did until now, and I know I forgot to record. Like, I put the phone down, I just forgot to press the record button. Silly, I know. Yeah, and yeah, the few things are left to be primered, but other than that, most of the things are like done. Alright guys, so this morning I finished all the primer, so all the roll kit is basically finished. Now I have no like tension or anything to like work on the rust. So like when we fly, it's gonna go somewhere and start rust again. So all the cage is done, and all the seam sealer was done yesterday. I removed the wiring from this side so I can get it ready for paint. Maybe just sand it over a bit, make it rough, that's it. Other than that, there's no rust other than this piece, but it's gonna like, it doesn't matter for this one. And all the other pieces are good. Some rust here, so I'll wheel brush and stuff. So today I'm working on putting the engine back. I put the transmission back like a few days ago, but I didn't record it. It was simple, and I'm just gonna put the engine back. I installed the stock clutch and everything, wiped the flywheel, and greased up all the throw bearings and stuff. So just need to put it back, and that's it. I'm not gonna start it or anything. There's a lot of stuff I have to figure out first, but just getting this done for now. Hi guys, so this morning I removed the ABS unit. I decided not to run it. I should have done it way before, but anyway, I'll be, I don't know, I need to get like a valve to control the rear brakes, but it looks pretty clean without the ABS and the big ass wiring. Here's the unit and all the crap. Hello everyone, welcome back. I don't know if you guys noticed my steering shaft. I was like rusty, and I like hated it whenever I saw it. So cleaned up all the rust and then painted it. It turned out super nice. So I'll be installing that, and then maybe putting the interior in today. Do some wiring because I ran out of the welding wire. Yeah, I couldn't complete the mounts, but yep, that's the plan. Sorry guys, my battery died and I didn't realize my phone was like turned off, but I ended up installing the steering shaft interior so I can tackle the wiring and see like where all the wires and relays gotta go. Basically, like without the heater core and stuff, I have a lot of room to like tuck the wires in, so that's good one part. But yeah, it's been super bad, super hard with the wiring and stuff, and I don't want to show like me doing wiring because I don't know, it's boring stuff. Yeah, so today I'll be figuring out all the rear lights and the headlight stuff. And another thing I was gonna plan on doing today was removing the door ajar system. So yeah, it gets annoying when like it just keeps beeping on, and then I tried like figuring out all the sensors, which are door sensors and stuff, but no luck with that. So I'm gonna remove the speaker, the chime speaker. The speaker is in this module, so this is under the steering rack. You can see it like when you get underneath. So let's see what's inside this. Alright guys, so I did remove this from the box. There are 5 clips you gotta unhook. So that's the speaker, and there are 2 solders. I don't know if I'm pretty like good with soldering. I'll try to remove it, but if not, I'll take it to someone to remove it safely, even though there's a lot of space like around it, so like I can play with something. I don't know, I'll see. So it was easier than I thought. Basically I used a screwdriver and got into like inside, and then that's it, done. And then that's the final piece. Basically the solder came out of the speaker, so doesn't matter. So what my plan is now is I'll connect all the lights, the fronts and the rears, and see like what the result is, like how the car reacts and what features I can use and what not. So let's get into it. Hi guys, welcome back. So last night I fixed up the cluster lights and a bunch of other stuff. I figured out the lights and the problems I'll be having. So I've decided whatever wires I have to run from the factory wiring to the front of the engine for the lights and stuff. And other than that, so the high beam wire, I'll run it like externally. I'll run an accessory switch for that, and that's the plan for now. I'll run all the wires from the firewall and see what all needs to be attached and where I'm gonna be running them. Alright guys, so I fished out like all the wires for the headlights and the solenoids, the O2 sensor, MAF sensor, and all that. So that's the right side. This right here is the left side, which I'll have to extend, and that's for the alternator, starter wire and stuff. I'm not gonna like loop them right now. I'll fish out all the wires and just make like one loom instead of running like different wires at different locations, just so it looks nice and clean.